Hey guys, I'm here today doing an update on my Peeping Pan project pan. So my items are here. I do have pan on 2 items. First up is my MAC shadow in Quarry, which you can see a little bit of pan there. So since I've hit pan on this item, it is going to move out of this project. And I will now show you my next item. The other item I hit pan on is the Urban Decay shadow in Tease from my Naked 2 palette. So I've also hit pan on that shadow. These are actually like moderately similar shadows, but I think the MAC one is a little bit more cool toned. And I do like how the MAC one performs better. Since both of these are old, I'm probably just going to be done with them at this point, and back to MAC the MAC shadow and throw out the Urban Decay shadow. Then I have a MAC shadow in Noble Touch. This is really nice. I've been using it with some Fix Plus as my eyeshadow on my lid mostly. And I do really like it. I think I like the pink side a little more maybe, but I have been using it. If you can see kind of how the progress looks there. I was hoping to hit pan on this, but obviously I didn't. It is a domed product, so I mean, it's gonna take me a while, I think. I'm not exactly sure where the pan is, like how far down exactly it is, but I'm just continuing to use that. Then I have 2 shadows in this palette that are in this project that I honestly did not use at all since the last update. This is Urban Decay's Half Baked and a Pacifica eyeshadow, but since I used 2 other eyeshadows to hit pan, I can start focusing on these more. I know like the other ones were matte shadows and these are shimmer shadows, but it's just hard for me to try to pan a ton of shadows at once, I think. Then I have my Hylamide Photography Foundation. I went ahead and marked a line here that hopefully you can see. I marked it with like a different Sharpie. I probably should have just marked it with a normal Sharpie, but it's moved down a little bit. I haven't marked a line this whole project yet, so I finally saw enough progress to mark a discernible line, and I honestly just keep forgetting to use this, so just continuing to work away at that. So those are my items and my little update. This project is supposed to be a year-long project with monthly updates and a rolling project where once something moves out, you put something new in. I actually am not going to put something new in. I'm just going to focus on the 4 items I have because this project was supposed to have 4 to 6 items. I think it would be good for me to have a month where I have 4 items instead of 6 and just kind of focus on those, especially starting to hit pan on these things, I think is going to be useful. In case you're wondering, this is my pan for this item, not the full photography foundation. So that's my goal for the upcoming update, is to try to get closer to pan on this. I probably won't be able to hit pan, and then use up all of this. I think I could do it if I actually focus on using this, because I swear I only used it once or twice since the last update because I keep forgetting to use it. It says it's supposed to be applied under, over, or mixed with foundation for a natural, or used alone for a natural look, to offer instant, visible, anti-imperfection benefits, tone correction, and reduced pore size appearance. I find it can just look kind of glittery sometimes, or like cling to dry patches. So that's why I'm having a hard time using it. I did try putting it like mixed with my lotion on my body and then used as kind of like a highlighter, like a natural highlight on top of foundation. So I'm coming up with new ways to use it, and hopefully my next update will go well, and I'll add 2 new things at my next update after I take a break with just 4. Thanks for watching. Bye.